Hello, today I am going to talk about a very important coding problem, that is reversal of linked list. Reversing a linked list means reversing the link between the nodes. That is, if 5 is pointing to 10 and 10 is pointing to 3 and 3 is pointing to 2 initially, then after the reversal of node, 2 should point to 3, 3 should point to 10 and 10 should point to 5, and 2 would be our first node, that is head node. So if you want to solve this question, then we are going to approach through a sliding pointer method. So what is sliding pointer method? Let's understand it first. For this process, we are going to take three nodes, that is P, Q and R. Initially, P will point to head and Q will be our null and R will be null. So what sliding exactly means here? We are gonna say R equal Q, Q equal P and P would point to P of next. In this way, after first iteration, P will point to here and Q will be here and R will be null. R will be null. So these three steps, this is just our sliding. So if you wanna reverse our linked list, then Q of next, we will say Q of next will point to R. So first node after Q of next equal to R, so we will say Q of next equal R. So here R will ensure that first node will be replaced with null. And if you want to understand this code, and we will repeat all this process like R equal Q and Q equal P and P equal to P of next. Then after first iteration, R equal Q, R will point to here, Q equal P, P will point to here and P will point to P of next. And this process will repeat until P is not equal to null. So if you want to understand its code, then we will say in Java language, or we can say in C language, it will be something like this. While P is not equal to null, R to Q, Q to P and P to P of next. These all three steps will be our sliding, and fourth step we will say Q of next equal to R, and it will ensure that our linked list will get reversed. So if you want to dry run this code, on our linked list, then it will be something like this. After first iteration, P will be here, Q will be here and R will be null. So in the second iteration, R will point to Q, so R will be here, and Q will point to P, so Q will be here, and P equal to P of next, so P will point here, and we will fourth step would be Q of next. Fourth step would be Q of next to R. So it will ensure that the memory location of 5 will get stored in Q of next, that is 10. And after second iteration and this third iteration, in third iteration, P will be here, Q will be here and R will be here, and we will make sure that Q of next equal to R. And in this way, 2 will point to 3, 3 will point to 10 and 10 will point to 5. But we will never forget to store Q in head, because after iteration will get completed, we will need to store our head in Q, because Q would point to here. So if you want to understand all this process with pointer, so here we can understand that if P equal to null, it means loop will get exited, but we will need to store head in Q. Then only we will ensure that our head will get restored and head will point to here, and 2 will hold the address of 3, 3 will hold the address of 10 and 10 will hold the address of 5. So if we go to our code again, so this will be our code and we will return head from here. So if we will return head from here, and in this way our linked list will get reversed. So just repeat code with me once, like while P is not equal to null, so we will understand like something like this: R, Q and P, R to Q, Q to P, P to P of next, and then Q of next to R. If we just remember this 4 step, then our linked list will get reversed and we will pass with flying colors. Thank you very much. Now if you like our content and really enjoyed our session, then you can like our channel, comment and subscribe to it. Thank you very much.